Number 25. The result of increasing the quantity X by 1800% is 684. What is the value of X? See, before solving this question, let's get out of this question and understand the concept. Suppose a shopkeeper buys a game for $10, right? The shopkeeper, buys a game for $10. Now he decides that he will take 10% profit on this game, right? So 10% of 10 is 1. So $1 profit he wants from this game. So $1 profit he needs. So for how much cost he should sell it? $10 his cost plus $1. That means he has to sell it at $11 to get 10% profit. Now in these kind of questions we have to check what is asked. Is 10% of that 10 is asked? That is the question. Then that is 1. But if total cost is asked, then we add it into the initial cost, that is 11. Now let's compare it with our question. What is asked? The result of result. Here $11 is the result, right? So the result of increasing the quantity X. So what is 10 here? That is X, quantity X by 1800% of X. That result is 684. Correct? So X plus 1800% of X is 684, right? So here 10 plus profit is 10 plus 10% of 10 is 11. Here X plus 1800% of X is 684. So that means we have to solve for X because the question is what is the value of X. Okay, let's solve it for X. So this is 2 zeros cancelled. So X plus 18 of X is equal to 684. So these two are like terms, X plus 18X. So we can add them. X means 1X. So 1X plus 18X is 19X. 19X is equal to 684. Dividing by 19 on both sides. 19 is equal to 684 by 19. Cancelled. So X is equal to 36. What is asked? What is the value of X? So value of X is 36. So D is the right option.